Coach, led by as many as 18 or 19 points per
Yes.
game, collapse nung huli.
Yes.
Your thoughts na?
We're up by 18. So medyo naging careless lang kami yung second quarter. Nakat yung deficit to 9. And then going to the third quarter, medyo hindi ganun kaganda yung energy namin defending them. So nagkaroon sila ng rally. And then hindi kami nakapag-execute. And then medyo nagkaroon kami ng lack of communication do sa ginawa nilang play. So that's why medyo kinapos kami. And lastly, hindi namin na-shoot yung dapat na-shoot na free throws. Oo.
Coach, what did you tell sa kay Cyrex and kay Siemens?
Sabi ko kay Cyrex sa kay Lex, that's life eh. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. 'Di ba? Hindi naman yan na matetes sa isang game lang na to, 'di ba? I mean, ganun ang basketball, 'di ba? Minsan mananalo ka, minsan matatalo ka. It doesn't mean that hindi nila na-shoot yun. Bababa na yung moral nila. So it's just a test. Oh, it's just a test of character. Who they are going to the next game and in life.
Coach, bago pa mag-jump ball, physical na, may technical fouls na. Sa tingin nyo ba masyadong naging excited yung team nyo na tapusin yung series kaya hindi na maintain yung...
Isa na rin yun. Less than 1 minute or less than 2 minutes ata, penalty na eh. Both teams eh. So, I expected na ganun talaga from the beginning. Sabi nga namin ng coaches na it will be a pitbull fight going to the game 2. So, as expected, ayun, hindi din naman kami aatras sa kanila. So, it just so happen na medyo kinapos na talaga kami sa dulo. But, I guess we just need to, regroup. Okay? And then, pag-isipan namin ano yung dapat namin i-improve going to Game 3 on Saturday.
Anong mindset nyo, Coach, ulit? Ganun ulit, aggressive or...
Dahil nga nawala yung aggressiveness namin, kailangan maging aggressive kami. Nawala yung energy namin, hindi namin na-sustain yung energy namin. Dapat, on Game 3, dapat taasan namin yung energy namin. So, ayun, I'm looking forward to that Game 3.
Coach, and aside dun sa missed free throws ni Cyrex, he's been, kumbaga, silently operating for Letran in the past years. How important is yung presence na sa loob ng court?
Importante talaga si Silorio kasi yun talaga yung pantapos namin sa dulo. So ako na yung umaako dahil hindi niya na-shoot. Humingi ako pasensya sa Letran community at doon sa mga sumusuporta sa amin. So yun lang eh. Kung na-shoot naman ng bata yun, dalawa, I guess baka tapos na yung laro eh. So yun lang, breaks of the game sa dulo.